This is my vacuum. So that is what it gives me. And when I do down, doesn't do anything. This has been charged for overnight already. And when I do take it off, press on, it does not turn on. Now I press go home, doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything with my remote. Apparently it does not hold charge, that's what I'm suspecting. So that's the symptom. Right. Please help. Thank you.